All right, so here we're going to cover 8.1b, which is solving linear equations using multiplication and division. Again, we're going to do this similar to what 8.1a was, which is the rule of opposite. Okay. Now, the opposite being here, u is being multiplied by -8. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. So we're going to divide both sides by -8. And we're going to divide just using fractions. So that's going to cancel that out. Negative, negative cancel. 8 and 8 cancel. U, negative, negative cancel. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So the opposite of multiplication is division. All right. Here, same setup. We have V over here. We have V being multiplied by 3. So the opposite of multiplying by 3, dividing by 3. Again, balance that out. Whatever I do here, got to do over here. Negative 9 over 3 is negative 3 V. All right. Here. So here we have negative 4 times y, because that is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So divide by negative 4. Negative 4 gives you y is equal to negative 1/4. Now to type that in here, I'll do the negative first. By the way, it doesn't matter where the negative is, just put it outside. It'll be up top on the bottom. If there's 2 negatives, make it positive. If there's 1 negative, just make the whole thing negative. Keypad, fraction button, 1/4. Again, I don't really think it matters where the negative is. See, matter where the negative. Clear this. All right. Now, feel free to do this however you want. I'm pretty sure if you watch the Learn, they're going to say use the reciprocal. But I really don't care. Okay. On your calculator, I'll show you this on the calculator. Just because you have it, we might as well use it. This is multiplying by 4/5. So we're going to divide by 4/5. Right? So this is going to cancel. X is equal to negative 2 divided by 4/5. I'm just going to put that in a calculator. So negative, oh, that's not negative, clear. Negative's down here. Negative 2 divided by fraction 4/5. Negative 5/2. So negative 5, and using my fraction button, over 2. Done. That's how you want to do these. Really just going to divide pretty much time, okay? Unless we have v, or your variable over, or something's already in the denominator, and that's it. Pretty much just going to divide everything. All right. So here I'm going to divide by -6. So I'm going to divide by 6. Again, I'm just going to write it as y is equal to negative 3/7 divided by -6. I'm just going to put that in my calculator. Negative 3/7 over divided by negative 1/14. Fraction button, 1/14. Done. These are easy. Basically, just divide all the time. All right. Now, just like on the other one, we're going to simplify first. So combine like terms. 9 minus 6, 3. Won't deal with the x right now. The x stays the same. 16 minus 13 is also 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Get x equals 1. Same thing. Simplify both sides. 4 minus 19 is negative 15. 7 minus 4 is 3w. Divide by 3. Divide by negative 5 is equal to w. Ahaha, fraction. Now again, feel free to use your calculator to do all the heavy lifting on this. You're going to combine these. You're going to combine these two. You're going to combine these two. Feel free to do it in the calculator. If you just hate fractions, you want to do it in the calculator, go right ahead. But 4 over 5th minus 1 over 5th is 3 over 5. 3/5 plus 3/5. And you don't add, don't do anything to the denominator. Sorry. Okay. V. I keep the V there. So 3 plus 3 is 6. We do not do anything with the denominator. As long as they have the same denominator, I'm good. I'll just do it by hand. So now, again, they may say multiply by reciprocal. Feel free to do the reciprocal, but I'm just going to divide by 3/5. Cancel that out. It means divide by 3/5. So I'm going to write that as 6/5 divided by 3/5. Whatever's in the bottom is what you divide by. So, putting that in the calculator, I should get 2. I'll show you. Fraction 6 over 5. Press over, divided by fraction 3 over 5. And you get 2. Just a few more. Here, divide by 5, you get a fraction. Okay. So divide by 5, there's no reducing. So 2/5. Simplify first. Don't forget there's an understood 1 here, so 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2x equals 5. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. There's no simplifying. X equals negative 5 over. Last question. Again, they give you all this work. All they want you to do is divide. So, and they want to 2 decimal places. Divide by 8, divide by 8. I'm just going to do this in a calculator. 145 divided by 8. That's probably going to give you a fraction. Oh, it didn't. Okay. So 2 decimal places means 18.13. And we're done. So go ahead and get 8.2b done. And we'll be back here for, sorry, 8.1b. Get 8.1b done, and then we'll meet back here for 8.2.